Hey, Mike. Is he rubbing that ivy all over my shit?
You got poison ivy like there's no tomorrow.
He could keep that vest.
There you go.
I'm using your harness to climb later. Matter of fact, Frank said we could, if it's up to them, you want to grab a bucket, Mike? I'll drive.
He said we could go home after this.
You heard? Or you just want to climb it?
What's that?
He said we could grab the bucket.
Yeah,
He put it there.
he said grab the bucket.
He says it's up to y'all, whatever y'all want to do.
The only bucket we got is 2352.
Does it work?
Yeah, but how you gonna get it in there?
Labradoodle. And there goes our foreman. Frank Thomas. Thompson, Thomas, Tomas. Wow, he must work out. You have like a 30-minute video here.
I think I had that much time.
It's about half the time as mine was. It felt like I was up there for an hour. Fucking bugs. Fucking bugs. And they're off. And Michael is going to win this race. Done.
Uh-oh! Gonna lose the other one in a second.
Oh! About to be no skate!
Gonna lose the other one in a second. Yo, what's taking you so long? I went all the way across and came down. Uh-oh!
You got, oh!
No shit. Watch the sign.
That's in the lake too. All right.